How do sacred soundscapes influence our cognitive function and memory? If you've ever found yourself deeply moved or transported by the sounds of a sacred place, you're not alone. Let's explore how these soundscapes can affect our cognitive function and memory. When we listen to sounds recorded from sacred locations, such as those marked by ancient rock art, several interesting things happen in our brains. These sounds, often repetitive and cyclic, can induce altered or mystical states. For instance, a study using binaural recordings of sounds from these sites found that these sounds increased frontal gamma activity in the brain, which is associated with meditation and altered states. This increase in gamma activity, particularly around 40 Hz, is significant because it indicates a higher level of brain activity that can lead to enhanced focus and a meditative state. Additionally, the study showed that these sounds enhanced coherence between the left temporal and right frontal regions of the brain. This coherence is linked to out-of-body experiences and other mystical states. The way these sounds are presented also plays a crucial role. The temporal arrangement of the sound patterns can amplify their effective and intrinsic meaning. For example, a soundscape designed to relax, induce an altered state, and then return the listener to a baseline state of consciousness can effectively modulate brain activity. This was demonstrated in a study where participants listened to a sequence of tracks, including ambient sounds, a thunderstorm, and chanting, which led to specific changes in brain activity corresponding to each track. These soundscapes can also influence our memory. The anterior cingulate region of the brain, which is involved in attention and memory retrieval, shows increased activity when listeners are exposed to these sounds. This region is particularly active in tasks involving emotional control, social sensitivity, and moral reasoning. The activation here can make the experience feel more real and memorable, similar to how we recall vivid emotional events. Moreover, the emotional and imaginal experiences triggered by these soundscapes can be deeply personal and tied to our memories. For example, natural sounds and music paired with visual scenes can evoke feelings of awe, nostalgia, and restorative potential, especially if they trigger positive memories. This suggests that the impact of sacred soundscapes is not just on our current cognitive state, but also on how we recall and connect with past experiences. In summary, sacred soundscapes have a profound impact on both our cognitive function and memory. They can induce meditative states, enhance brain coherence, and evoke strong emotional and imaginal responses that are deeply connected to our personal memories. These effects make these soundscapes a powerful tool for spiritual and therapeutic purposes.